Okay, so all you have to do, go to the Windows search bar, type in Control Panel. Once you're on this page, select Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Sound. Once this pop up, scroll down until you find your device. So go ahead and select it. After that, right click, select Disable, right click and then enable it again. For the next step, go to Properties. In the device usage, make sure that use this device is enabled. Go to Levels, which is the second tab, and make sure you have this icon switched on. Go to Enhancements. After that, make sure you check Disable all enhancements. Go to Advanced. Make sure to test the right channel. As you can see, the second one is the one working. Select Apply and then select OK. Now for the second method, go to the Windows search bar, go to Settings. In the search, type in Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot Settings. Go to Other Troubleshooters. In the most frequent section, you can see the audio element. Just select Run. Wait for it to diagnose. After that, select Yes, and your problem should be solved. If you find it helpful, make sure you subscribe.